This video is brought to you by the Mexican National School of Chess and Ferris Chess. The clock. The chess clock consists of two clocks. Each chronometer has a button. They mark the time each player has. At the beginning, the player with the white pieces starts the chronometer. While the player is thinking of which move to make, the seconds on the clock are ticking. To stop it, the player has to make a move. Once the move is made, with the same hand in which the move was made, the player should press the button to stop the clock. The same goes for the opponent. The person that runs out of time will lose the game. It does not matter the situation on the chessboard. There are two types of chess clocks, analog and digital. When playing with the analog clock, time is over when the flag falls. Moreover, with the digital, time is over when it hits 0. Remember, you don't have to bang the clock. It is an object and can break.